Okay, in this activity, we want to use our tool, which is the coordinate grid, to perform the following geometric rotations. Okay, so we want to rotate the point 90 degrees counterclockwise, and we want to find what the coordinates of the image will be after rotation. We want to also rotate the point B with coordinates -3, 5, 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, this arrow is pointing down, says clockwise, and we want the coordinates of B prime, and so on. Okay, so let's get started. We have our tool is the coordinate grid. Okay, so first I want to label my axis, my y-axis, and my x-axis. Okay, then I plot the point 5, 7. Okay, 5, 7, right there, and I call it A. Okay, it says 90 degrees counterclockwise, so I rotate my paper 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay, now I'm reading my x coordinate on this horizontal line. This 7 here is on the left of 0, so it is a -7. This 5 here for the y coordinate, okay, this 5 for the y coordinate is above 0, so it's going to be a +5. So when I read my coordinates after rotation, it will be -7, +5. -7 for the x and +5 for the y. So I will get this over here, and then I go fill in the box -7, +5. Okay. Now the point B has coordinates -3, 5. So I'm using this coordinate grid as a tool. So I'll plot -3, 5 first. -3, 5. I plot that point. That is my point B. Okay. I want to rotate 90 degrees clockwise and then find what the coordinates of B prime will be. Okay. So I go to my tool. I rotate my tool 90 degrees clockwise. Guess what the coordinates of B will be? With the x coordinate is on the right of 0, +5. Okay, and this one here, though you see a negative number here, but it's above 0. So when you rotate the axis turn around, you don't want to read the actual number that is sitting there, but you want to use the idea that above 0 is always positive and below 0 is always negative. So this will be, the x coordinate will be +5 over here, and the y coordinate is +3. So +5, +3. I fill in the blank, +5, +3. Okay. Next, I want to rotate C -1, -4, 180 degrees. So plot the C. Plot the point C, -1, -4, right here. So that is C. 180 degrees, it could be clockwise, it could be counterclockwise, you end up with the same thing. So if I do that, this is my C here now. Okay, to read these coordinates, this is the right side of 0. So this will be +1 for the x coordinate of C, and this will be +4 for the y coordinate of C. So +1, +4. 1, 4. When it is positive, we do not put the sign. Okay. And then the last one is the point D with coordinates -4, -6. So plot the point D, -4, -6 down here, D, and then we rotate 270 degrees clockwise. And then D is right here. That will be x coordinate 6 and y coordinate -4.